Hello everybody, this is Mark and this video is going to be dedicated to YouTube user Exit Sign 250. We're going to be demonstrating my Stanley door closer for you guys. So here we go. You can see it closes very nicely, and yes, I do know that I need to tighten up the arm. The arm is a bit loose. I do know I need to tighten up the arm screw. I will do that separately, or whenever I get time to do it. But right now, it closes just fine. See, the door closes just fine. The latch is okay. We'll go outside and get you an outdoor view. As you can see, get one more outdoor view. See, it closes not quite nicely. And then you can see by the tree, leaves shaking in the tree. The wind is blowing right now, so it does have some effect on my Stanley. It pushes the door and kind of makes it shut a little faster. And sometimes it pushes against the outside of this door, preventing my door closer from latching. But other than that, it closes quite nicely. So we'll do it again. We'll do it one last time and that will be it. You know what? One more time and that will be it. So anyways, that will be it.